Don't mess up the Cuzzo. Don't do that.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
Tell them, because I got something else to tell you.
Today we have Five Guys. Why? Because it's Fast Food Friday. What you have to tell me?
Which Five Guys I eat? One guy have. I may have 5 Shanice. Both five guys. I got 5 Shanice and you have 1 guy.
Can chat?
Yeah.
Listen guys, we have our Cuzzo AB shirt on. If you don't have your shirt, I don't know what you're doing, but we're going to talk about the shirt once we start eating and everything like that. So we're going to dig right in.
What? You got to tell them what you got, First Lady? Tell them what kind of hot dog you have and them stuff there.
Sorry. No. I'm sorry.
Mm.
I have a BLT, bacon, lettuce, tomato with cheese. And I have a hot dog, it's beef. And it is jalapeno, bacon, cheese. Yeah, man. What do you have, my love?
That bacon look good, winky. I got I got to keep my cheeseburger. Well, I got a double cheeseburger. So they say lettuce, tomato, cheese on top of cheese. I think, yeah, tomato, grilled onions in there, and then I got a beef sausage, just keeping it simple, you know. And then we got what, Cajun fries, First Lady?
Cajun fries. Sorry, we hungry, guys. I hope you guys having a good Friday. Oh, and I got a vanilla shake. Okay.
Vanilla shake. You know napkin?
Thank you, my love. So like we said, we're gonna definitely talk about Cuzzo AB, her shirts, her stuff. But we gotta eat first.
Let's munch in first real quick, guys. These fries are good.
I didn't realize this BLT was gonna be so big. It's huge.
You know what you were doing. You know what you were doing.
I eat my hot dog.
Trust me. You know what you were doing. Family, y'all all know what she was doing when she got that BLT. But it's all good. It's all good, family. Look, Tabasco.
Oh.
I'm trying Tabasco on this.
No, honey. For real.
What?
They don't sell chicken sandwiches there.
Yeah.
So, I thought one hot dog wouldn't fool me.
But why would you have to get it with the pork on it?
Like the hot dog?
BLT.
Because it's called BLT bacon, lettuce, tomato.
No.
You're not gonna just yam sauce of lettuce and tomato because you want yam it.
You don't have to get it. Buy a veggie burger.
They have veggie burger too.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna lie, first that bacon look good and yo. I feel some type of way, son. Thumbnail.
Oh.
Thumbnail. And make look at the pork. Did he did it? Right, Tom?
We gotta do a thumbnail, guys. We always forget. We don't do.
Wait. I love the thumbnail, let me know. Did he taste peace? Damn, girl.
I'm hungry today.
I see that.
Can I have the Chick-fil-A sauce? I'm gonna run out. Oh, the big one.
I thought I had a big one. We so used to the small one.
Because guys, we worked out today. Yep.
You done it. Turn that joint upside down. You know what we do.
Oh, yeah, turn upside down.
You know what we do.
Yeah, we black. Double fry. We worked out today, and we like to relax and then get up and go get our food, so that we're not I don't know. We just like to relax first and then
You
we
have
go.
to. After work, you have to relax.
Exactly.
Okay, your body got to cool down.
A lot.
Got to cool down.
How's your hot dog?
That's bad fun.
Mm-hmm.
You said what? A second time going here?
No, so they're expensive. They are
Oh, God.
dear, aka expensive.
They're expensive though, I ain't gonna lie. It's a big meal. But it's all good. It's worth it.
It is. We gotta remember. We ain't making no money yet. We can't afford this stuff.
We can afford it. It's a big check right here.
It's a big check.
But I sure love it because it's food. Oh yeah.
Really good.
They're kind of pricey, but it's all good.
And don't forget, guys, today at 6 o'clock, we're going live.
Oh, almost forget to go because I'm so busy eating.
Busy eating.
Wow.
What are we going to talk about today?
Whatever, man. Whatever's on your mind. It doesn't matter. We'll find a conversation. But we want to go live, you know what I mean? We could chit chat with y'all. Now it is 6 o'clock. Don't forget. Yeah. How was your hot dog?
So good.
That's nice. I like when you enjoy your food.
So, when I saw that Cuzzo AB, for those of you who don't know her, she's another mukbanger. Her channel is doing great. I started watching Cuzzo AB when she had about 20,000 subscribers, maybe a little bit less.
Less than that.
And I was like, this girl is funny as I don't know what.
She's funny as hell. Cuzzo! She's funny.
And when she dropped her line, as usual, like we said in our other videos, we like to support people. Okay? And not only that, the shirts were really vibrant and nice on the website.
Yep.
The pink really stood out to me, and the red and white for Richie. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna order the shirts.
Yeah.
And we were looking for a hat for Richie too, but one that he wants, she doesn't have it yet, but she's going to get it.
You know, I like my snapbacks.
So
with the mesh, you know how it is.
you like the snapbacks? It's good.
With the mesh. Damn, that burger big.
So I ordered it and everything.
Nice. Wow.
I know, I'm chewing.
Take your time and chew this burger.
That looks so good though.
Take your time and chew.
Mm.
I want to be a burger. I want to be a beer tea, right?
Oh, sorry guys. So I ordered it. Okay. And I wasn't going to talk about what happened. I'm just gonna show you guys the shirt and say go get you one. But she mentioned it on her video, and I was like, okay, I'll talk about it. So it was shipped out. The shipping was fast. Like if you place your order today,
You get it right back. Get it right out.
if you place your order today, you already have a confirmation, and the next day you have a tracking number.
That's good.
I love that.
Facts.
So I'm tracking my order and everything. Everything is fine. And then I track it with the tracking number, and it says first attempt for delivery. So I'm like, first attempt for delivery? I'm home. We're home. Nothing more than the mailman didn't feel like coming out of the truck to come to deliver my package. So I got mad. I called the post office, and they said, well, they're going to be re-delivering it today. And I said, okay, no problem. Wait
All day.
all day, nothing.
Nothing came up.
Check tracking again. Tracking said that it was delivered already. So I'm like, yes, I got my shirt. We can do our mukbang.
Yep.
That's what we plan to do.
Yeah.
Check mailbox. No package.
No package, family. What?
Time to check the Cuzzo. I let her know. She said she's gonna check into it. When I called USPS and verified the address, they said the address that's on the package is not what you just told me.
Where your chain? I don't see your chain.
Oh.
Like where your chain out. Bit flossy, son.
You're not gonna edit this out, right?
I don't know, man.
And so.
No, I don't know.
So. I said, okay. I said, but that's not my address. Again, she's right. It was very similar, but it wasn't. It was no cigar. It wasn't the same. So she was willing to mail us out brand new shirts with no problem. But I was like, no, let me wait until my neighbor comes home, and I'll check, because people do that because our address is so similar. But it wasn't about the address being similar. It was a completely wrong address. But things happen. So I went to my neighbor, and she was like, oh yeah, I have this package. Well, I was wondering who the hell the greedy couple was.
Now she know. But we got nice neighbors though.
So I let her know that I got the package and everything. Now we've been communicating via email this whole time, and she gets back to you right away.
Right away.
Customer service is great.
Great.
The quality of the shirt is great. It's not like those ones that you buy at the store.
No.
And you know after you wash it's gonna shrink. It's nice and soft
Good,
cotton.
yeah, good quality.
What do you like about it, honey?
I love it. It's tight. Yeah, man. Tight, man. Yeah, man. Show my figures. Tight, man.
It makes me think you have some big muscles, right? But I don't like big muscles.
Yeah.
So.
But they couldn't see the back, and then they got a
the back has it.
I can't turn.
Well, we'll show you. But
Yeah, sure.
It's really, really nice.
It's very nice quality.
She put a lot of work into it. You know what I'm saying?
She did. She sure did.
Because, again, like I said, we support people. So we ordered other
from other people
YouTubers merchandise if my husband likes that YouTuber, and it was not good quality. Like it was nothing compared to this. So anyway, so I emailed her back and said, I got the shirt, everything is good, thank you so much, I appreciate you even willing to, you know, go ahead and mail us a new one, but no need, we got the shirt, it's fine. My phone ring.
What you just said?
My phone ring.
Okay.
Now, let me tell you something, guys. I'm black. Okay? I can only speak of my experience.
Yes.
So,
exactly.
We don't answer numbers. That's not stored in our phone.
That's not stored in our phone. If it's
you
not
answer numbers, honey?
Hell no. If it's not stored, it's for a reason. So, take a bite of your BLT. You know? Yo. You know, say you're not gonna eat everything, you know? Yeah, you pissed me off, you know? I know why you get a veggie sandwich, yo.
It's so good.
You just rubbing that in my face, but it's all good.
I'm not. I'm enjoying my food like you enjoying your food.
Okay. Excuse me. That wasn't a prank.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Because you worried about my food, that's right.
The seasoning.
It's good. Okay. So my phone rang. I looked at the number and I said, who in the world is this?
Yeah.
Right? Usually I'll let it go to voicemail if I don't know who the number is. Something said, pick it up.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up, first lady. Pick it up.
All right. So I pick up the phone and I go, hello? And then the person goes, hey, what's up? So I'm like, wait a minute. Now, you guys know how those creditors be. They be saying, hey, Shanice. And you be thinking,
like they know you.
Oh snap, I know this person. So you be like, hey, who is this? And they're like, oh yeah, this is blah, 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 blah. You owe us money. You like, click. Right?
Yeah.
So it wasn't like that. So she goes, hey, girl. So I was like, wait, hello? And she says, yeah, hey. And I go, Cuzzo? Just like that. And she go, yeah, it's me. And I went,
yep.
Just like that. I lost my breath. I couldn't even speak.
But hold that thought.
Man.
Family, I was at work. And she called me ASAP. Can you tell the story now?
I call that job. It's an emergency. Because the AB called me.
Real talk. She called that job and said, yo, you just speak to me ASAP. Go ahead.
So, I'm like, just like that. And she goes, stop. Don't you be making me feel like I'm no celebrity. Stop that. And I was like, cause I'm still shocked. Like, I'm still shocked. Right? Now, you guys have to understand, when you watch somebody on TV, or you watch somebody on your phone, whatever, and you love their personality, it's not about, it was just, I've been watching her since she had 20,000 subscribers or a little bit less, right? So I admire her a lot. You know, I'm a few years older than her, but doesn't mean you can't admire somebody who's younger than you. It doesn't say that. So when she called me, I was caught off guard. It took my breath away. I literally was in the kitchen about to make something to eat. And when I went, I couldn't do anything else but to run to the next room. I literally ran with the phone in my hand to the next room and had to sit down. I don't know why I ran to my bedroom, but that's where I ran. And I sat down and I was like, and she was like, I'm so sorry for the misunderstanding, and I'm so glad you got your item. And I said, don't worry about it. I said, things happen. And she was like, no, what I appreciate is that you were so patient, and now because this happened, I double and triple check to make sure that the address is correct. And I said, it's okay. And she said, forget about the shirts. At the end of the day, it's about customer service, and I want to make sure that you guys are happy. I said, we're happy because the shirts are really, really nice quality.
Yeah, they are.
And she was like, well, thank you so much for your business. And I was like, thank you so much for calling. She didn't have to call me, guys. She could have continued emailing me.
Exactly.
But she picked up the phone and she called me. And
good business.
Good business.
Yep. Okay? Want to make sure everything is right. She went above and beyond. And was willing to send back 2 more shirts.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you. You know that.
Shirts are great.
The shirts is excellent.
This is something.
I wish I could put it on every day in the video.
That's what I'm saying.
It's nice. Listen, it's a nice shirt.
And then the pink is so pink. It's not like you see it on the camera and it's pink. When you get it, it's not that pink. It's like really vibrant pink. It's really, really, really nice.
Real. Yep. First lady was going all over the place. So she wouldn't stop talking. She said she was speechless.
She was like, don't you make me think I'm a celebrity now.
Speechless. I'm watching you eat right now.
Eat the fries.
I'm gonna eat the fries. I want to be say a BLT.
They won't tell nobody.
But here, if you ain't see it, here it goes again. Richie outfit of the day.
Whoa! Whoa!
Day watch.
Whoa!
Eat your food.
I won't tell nobody.
Wait. Yeah, put that said Diddy bite, Diddy take me. Eat my fries them now. But how was your day though? That was a quick story, you know what I mean? Quick story, I had to let y'all know. You know what I'm saying? Your day was good? What y'all eating for your fast food Friday? Oh yeah, I know. Not Five Guys. I know.
They're expensive.
Because you already told us. I never told you they're expensive, but it's alright. The food is good though. I ain't gonna lie.
So, basically, you guys are not gonna see us eat this again until we reach 100,000 subscribers. When we reach 100,000, then we eat. This thing is expensive. For 2 of us, we can went to Red Lobster.
Hell yeah, that's a plate right there. That's a dinner plate right there.
That's a dinner.
Yeah, it's a big dinner.
Tasty.
But one thing, they move fast in here though. They make their stuff fast. I ain't gonna lie about that.
And it's fresh.
And it's fresh. This Cajun fries, it's Cajun fry, right? Nice and seasoned too. Basically, should have called it seasoned fry.
But I guess they want to be different.
Yeah. Yep. You know what we do? We gotta get the last drip out of it so it's turned upside down. Yep. You full, First Lady? My daughter could eat it. She's waiting for it, you know? You know she's waiting for it.
That's really good.
I like how you explain the situation with the shirt.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Because I know things happen.
Yes.
It's her first time doing a business.
Yeah.
And she's going to be very successful at it if she keeps her customer service up. Because we own the business and we know how important customer service is.
Yep.
That's what's going to make or break your business, because word of mouth is everything.
Yep.
But really and truly, because I know it's her first time doing it, it wasn't like I was going to say, oh, it was, because we didn't care how long it took for our shirt to get here as long as we got our shirts, because we just wanted it. We wanted it. And we're glad we got it because we love it. And we are done. Look at my shirt.
Don't mess up the Cuzzo. Don't do that.
Cuz!
Shirt is on point, A1. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and go check out Cuzzo. Holla. Go first, lady. Do your thing.
And don't forget, 6 o'clock today, we're gonna be live.
Oh man, I forgot I'm gonna get live.
live.
If you're late, I'm charging.
You love charge?
I'm charging. I charge to pay by meal.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.